Hi and welcome. Have you ever felt lost when native speakers talk quickly? Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Today, I'll help you understand fast English easily. Let's get started. Why English sounds fast? English has many connected sounds. Words blend together. What are you doing becomes, what's CHA doing? Native speakers don't always pause between words. Stress and intonation can change how a word sounds. Common reductions in English. Wanna equals want to. Gonna equals going to. Lemme equals let me. Gotta equals got to. These are used in fast, casual speech. Practice sentences. I wanna go. Lemme help you. He's gonna call me later. Train your ear with slow listening. Start with slow English videos. Watch with subtitles first. Then remove subtitles and listen again. Repeat sentences out loud. Shadow the speaker, say it at the same time. Use real-life English content. Watch YouTube videos, movies, or interviews. Choose topics you enjoy, food, sports, travel, etc. Focus on how people speak, not just what they say. Listen every day, even 10 minutes helps. Break sentences into chunks. Instead of learning word by word, learn phrases. Example. I don't know what you mean. Break it like, I don't know, plus, what you mean. This helps you follow the rhythm. Repeat and imitate. Repetition is powerful. Listen to the same clip 5 to 10 times. Copy the speaker's voice, speed, and tone. You will slowly sound more natural. Use English listening apps. Try apps like Elsa Speak, BBC Learning English, YouTube Shorts with subtitles. These help you improve daily. Slow down the video speed. Use YouTube settings to slow videos to 0.75x or 0.5x. Listen slowly, then increase speed as you improve. Real example practice, interactive. I'll now speak 5 short sentences at natural speed. Then I'll slow them down. Try repeating after me. Examples. 1. What are you doing tonight? 2. I'm gonna watch a movie. 3. Do you wanna come with me? 4. Let me know by 6, okay? 5. Sounds good, I'll text you. Final tips and encouragement. Be patient, understanding fast English takes time. Don't worry about missing words, focus on the meaning. Speak daily, listen daily, and stay motivated. You're doing great. Keep it up. Call to action. Like this video if it helped you. Comment below your biggest problem with fast English. Subscribe for more listening practice videos every week.